Yeah, so before we begin the presentation, we will have a visual tour through the campus, through our campus. So you'll have an idea about our campus and infrastructure, right? Yes, now we'll begin the presentation. I'll share my screen with you all. So all the students, welcome to the seminar on career guidance in hotel management industry conducted by D.Y. Patil Institute of Hotel Management and Operations, Pune. This institute is affiliated by Maharashtra State Board of Vocational Education Examination, that is MSBBEE. Let me introduce you to the management members. The patron of our Sanstha is Padma Shri Dr. D.Y. Patil, Dada. The founder president is Shri V.D. Kotkar Sir, and the president of the Sanstha is Shri Abhay Kotkar Patil Sir. The courses offered by our institutes are hotel operations and hotel management and catering technology. Let me introduce you all to the president of our Sanstha, Mr. Abhay Kotkar Patil Sir. Sir is a president of the Sanstha. He is a visionary person, and Sir is an enterprising young educationist in the forefront of 10 institutes under the Shikshan Manch of D.Y. Patil Shikshan Sanstha's group of institutions, Pune, with over 4,000 students under its fold. Sir is a postgraduate in management from NIBM, approved by and accredited by HLACT USA at international level. Sir has a specialized background in sports, agriculture, familiar with real estate, entertainment, and industry. Sir is nominated as a member tournament committee by Maharashtra Cricket Association (MCA) and also appointed as anti-corruption officer Western Zone by Maharashtra Cricket Association (MCA). Sir has won a lot of awards and applause. The vision of our institute. Is to be a leading education institution by providing world-class education in diverse emerging disciplines to produce conscientious and learned professionals who significantly contribute to socio-economic development of the nation. Our vision is to provide a value-based, high-quality education to the students, to impart and train the students both theoretically and practically on the latest developments in their branches of study, to continuously upgrade the technical facilities and faculty on par with the best institution in the country, to make it one of the best colleges of education. The highlights of our institute are annual introduction tour. You'll be having annually. आपका tour रहेगा जहाँ पे आपको होटल इंडस्ट्री से में ले जाया जाएगा, वहाँ पे क्या चलता है, कैसे चलता है, आपको बताया जाएगा. इंटरनेशनल टूर्स भी रहेंगे, राइट. May and June domestic or international hotel trainings, 100% जॉब प्लेसमेंट्स. आपको प्लेसमेंट्स का रहेगा 100% नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल भी. आगे की स्लाइड्स में आप देखेंगे हमारे टाइप्स है बहुत सारे होटल इंडस्ट्री से, और हम लोग अभी टाइप्स के प्रोसेस में भी है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स फूड इंडस्ट्री विजिट्स. Our infrastructure, as you have seen in the video as well, this is a glimpse of our campus infrastructure. The food production center you can see in the first pic, the housekeeping, the front office, the classroom, food and beverage and outlet. In hotel management course, you'll not only study about kitchen, right, and cooking, you'll also learn about how to maintain a housekeeping, how to deal with in a front office, right, how to serve food, a lot of things. It's like overall development, overall learning, right? So let me tell you what is this industry, this hospitality industry. The hospitality industry is a broad category of field within the service industry that includes lodging, food, drink, services, event planning, theme parks, and tourism. It includes hotels, restaurants, and bar. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि इसमें आप सिर्फ खाना बनाना नहीं सीखते हो, इसमें आप बहुत सारी चीजें सीखते हो, जैसे कि आपका पर्सनली डेवलपमेंट होगा, you will be groomed, आपको एटिकेट ट्रेनिंग दी जाएगी, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स ट्रेनिंग दी जाएगी, आपको ये बताया जाएगा how to present yourself, right? आप लोग जब होटल में जाते हो, किसी बड़े रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हो, you see over there people greeting you and how personality you are impressed by them, right? वो सब आपका यहाँ पे overall development होगा, आपकी English speaking के ऊपर भी काम होगा. Everything will happen over here. Along with, of course, food production, you learn how to cook, and of course, you'll also know how to deal with people in the front office, the housekeeping. You'll also learn a lot of management skills over here, right? Leadership skills, right? Then communication skills, a lot of skills you will learn over here. Of course, sales and marketing you will be taught, because that is a part and parcel of hotel industry. Finance part will be here. So in all, it will be our overall development, and of course, you will be groomed for international placements. So why you have to choose this industry, right? So what are the career opportunities? Right? Let me tell you, it is the highest paying industry. Starting salary is 3.5 lakhs per annum, right? This course will open a new window in hotel industry. अगर आप ये course करते हो, तो आपका scope बढ़ जाता है hotel industry में, wherein candidates can be absorbed in different departments, such as you can work, आप काम कर सकते हो front office, operations, accounting, maintenance, sales and marketing, kitchen of course, and can specialize in the field of their preference to pursue a successful career path. तो आपको इतने सारे doors open जाते, इतने सारे job opportunities खुल जाती है आपके सामने. So also you have opportunity to work in cruise, right? A fast growing industry with lot of international job opportunities in future. It's fast paced environment where you will perform varied tasks each day. Overall personality development will happen here. You will also have entrepreneurship opportunities. Now ये क्या है? आप अपना खुद का business खोल सकते हो, आप खुद का कैफे खोल सकते हो, खुद का रेस्टोरेंट खोल सकते हो. आपको इस तरीके से ग्रूम गाइड किया जाएगा. आप अपना खुद का वेंचर खोल सकते हो, खुद का रेस्टोरेंट खोल सकते हो, राइट? A friendly work environment with fun activities highlights the benefits of what are the highest paying jobs you will be offered after doing this course. They are like hotel general manager, chef, event travel, restaurant.
रख दे उधर
A few
किचन
tastes I have mentioned here, a lot many, right? Now, let me tell you that if you don't know that, do you know that currently there are 1,05,000 hotels to 5-star category in India, 337 million jobs worldwide in hospitality sector by 2023. So you do this course today, in 2 years or in 1 year, a lot of job opportunities will be there और आपके सामने बहुत सारे स्कोप रहेगा जॉब का, क्योंकि जॉब्स बढ़ने वाले हैं 2023 में. 1 in 10 employable candidates will be employed in hospitality and tourism by 2023. Employable का मतलब क्या है? Employable का मतलब है आप इस जॉब के लिए तैयार है, क्वालिफिकेशन है आपके पास उस जॉब का के लिए, जैसे आप ये कोर्स करने वाले हो, राइट? आपके पास यू आर ग्रूम्ड, आपके पास वो पर्सनालिटी है, सो यू बिकम एम्प्लॉयबल. आपको इंटरव्यू क्रैक करना है, कैसे आपको इंटरव्यू देना है, कैसे बोलना है, वो सब भी यहाँ सिखाया जाएगा. आपको एम्प्लॉयबल किया जाएगा ताकि आपको इंडस्ट्री पिक कर ले, आपको इंडस्ट्री सिलेक्ट कर ले. सो जॉब्स रहेंगी, आपको you'll have to groom yourself, you have to do this course, right? Now, what are the courses offered by our institute? The very first course is Diploma in Hotel Management and Operations. Duration is 24 months. Eligibility is 10th standard. Intake capacity is 50 students. ये full time course है. Total tuition fees is 45,000. Installments रहेंगे आपको, right? 45,000 per year fees है आपका, right? आपको पहले एडवांस फीस 10,000 दे के ही एडमिशन लेनी है, बाकी आप इंस्टॉलमेंट में दे सकते हो. यूनिफॉर्म फीस सेपरेटली है 45,000 के अलावा, 7,000 आपकी यूनिफॉर्म, क्योंकि होटल इंडस्ट्री में यूनिफॉर्म बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपको अटायर आपका बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप कैसे प्रेजेंट करते हो, कैसे आप दिखते हो, राइट? आपकी पर्सनैलिटी, इसलिए यूनिफॉर्म बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और कॉलेज टाइमिंग विल बी 9 AM to 5 PM. Opening of college in second week of October. So admissions are open. You can hurry up. At the end of this presentation, I will give you phone number wherein you can contact for admissions. Okay. दूसरा कोर्स है डिप्लोमा इन होटल मैनेजमेंट एंड केटरिंग टेक्नोलॉजी. ड्यूरेशन है 12 months. एलिजिबिलिटी है 10th भी चलेगा, 12th, एनी स्ट्रीम. Intake is 25 students. Course full time है. Total fees is 35,000. एक साल का ही कोर्स है. Advance 10,000 आपको देना है, बाकी इंस्टॉलमेंट में देना है. Again, uniform charges separate है आपके 7,000. So you can choose between these two courses if you are in 10th standard. Right? Facilities provided by our institute. Right? 100% placements, national and international, depending upon you. आपको इंटरव्यू क्रैक करना है, हम आपको प्रिपेयर करेंगे, विल मेक यू एम्प्लॉयबल. आपको इंटरव्यू फेस करना है, आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज यहाँ से दी जाएगी इंटरनेशनल इंटरव्यूज की भी. अब आप पे डिपेंड करेगा कि आप उसको कैसे फेस करते हो, कैसे उस इंटरव्यू को आप पास करते हो. आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी पूरी दी जाएगी यहाँ पे, राइट? हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज देयर, कैंटीन फैसिलिटीज देयर, experienced and qualified teaching staff is there, right? Well equipped kitchen. You have seen in the photograph, kitchen is world class, infrastructure is there. Digital education, because now COVID situation is going on, so few classes would be online, but wherein practical is needed, you will be called in the institute. So we'll balance those things with keeping those physical distancing norms. Campus Wi-Fi, campus basic food production lab, and of course world class infrastructure. You have all seen it yourself in the video and photographs. So यहाँ पे फैसिलिटी सारी है आपके पास, राइट? जो टीचर्स है वो क्वालिफाइड है आपको सिखाने के लिए. आपके जो थियोरी क्लासेस है वो ऑनलाइन होंगे क्योंकि कोविड सिचुएशन है, लेकिन जो प्रैक्टिकल किचन के क्लासेस है वो आपको यहाँ बुलाया जाएगा प्रॉपर फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग और नॉर्म्स फॉलो करते हुए. कैंपस में वाईफाई है, राइट? और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी अप टू द मार्क है, राइट? So let's move ahead. What is new normal for hotel industry? New normal is that you will have to follow physical distancing and sanitization rules as per government directives. That is new normal. So जब तक ये सिचुएशन रहेगी, we'll have to follow those rules, और उसको रूल्स को फॉलो करते हुए आपका एडुकेशन हो जाएगा, राइट? वी हैव टाई-अप्स, हमारे टाई-अप्स है ऑलरेडी होटल्स के साथ, रेस्टोरेंट्स के साथ, बर्ड वैली, एजी गिमैक, एके गिमैक एंड लॉकहैट। एंड ये तो टाई अप हो चुके हैं, और टाइप्स हमारी बातें चालू है, वी आर इन द टॉकिंग टर्म्स विद दीज पर्टिकुलर hotels around the world. इसमें international national दोनों है, right? So we are like for your placements and for your visits, for your learning, so these types are very important and will be giving you best out of best, right? So as you can see, right? Okay, so any questions from your side?